Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your accelerometer board on this GE front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we must remove the user interface console. First, we are going to pull out your dispenser. Here you'll want to press down this little tab when you're sliding it out. Next, we have multiple Phillips screws in these holes. They'll have to be taken out in order to remove the console. Then of course, after you've taken your screws out, make sure your dispenser is pushed in. You will pull forward on the UI and move to the right side here. And underneath, we can see this is where it slides on, as well as two slotted areas where it slides on the actual console itself. There are two wires in here that'll need to be disconnected. First of all, you have your wire on the user interface portion. Take that one out. And this one on the back here has a strain reliever in it. You'll want to pinch that and pull it through. And as you can see, it's kind of pushed into this slotted area here. What you'll want to do is just pinch this cable, pull it out, and we can set your console to the side. Next, to remove the top off of it, we have a couple of Phillips screws in the front that'll need to be taken off. You will slide forward on the top, lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the top removed, we have clear access to the accelerometer down here. The main purpose of this part is to tell the machine if the drum is going off balance. One good thing that you can do to start is just a good visual inspection. Since it has so many different strain relievers and it's going from the drum to the top of it, make sure that none of the wires are broken. Look at the actual pins, make sure they don't seem damaged. If you're getting an error code, there's a high chance that you're gonna need to replace it. It is held on by 3 Phillips screws. You'll have to be careful, take out this screw for the strain reliever, and then there's another strain reliever that actually mounts onto the part itself. So I'm just gonna get some type of small stubby Phillips. And be very careful not to drop any screws or the screwdriver itself down inside the base of the unit. Now we'll lift up. Your last strain reliever is on the corner here. You'll want to use a pair of pliers to squeeze it and push it through. Pull out on the part and set it to the side. When installing your new one, first we're going to reinstall the strain reliever on the corner that we had it at. You can reinstall the wiring now if you wish. And we're going to set the part up. Let's start our screws by hand so we do not drop them in. ahead and tighten them up. Line up our last strain reliever here and start the screw by hand. Then let's tighten it up with the screwdriver. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top, we will drop it in place. It has little arms that stick up. It can only go on one way. Once you get it in, slide it back. Now we can reinstall the 3 screws on the front. Now we can reinstall the console. When reinstalling your console, first we will bring it in, and the first thing we'll do is reinstall the cable here. Your pinch line will be facing inside on the console, so put one end in, bring it in until it snaps. You can reinstall your strain reliever, just push it into the hole, and we will reinstall the wiring harness for the user interface portion. Next, we are going to bring it in at an angle, slide it in. You'll feel it cannot pull out, and just kind of drop it in place here. I recommend moving up your dispenser, just drawing it in before you reinstall your screws. Now I am going to use my magnetic screwdriver for the ones that I can get in there, followed by the non-magnetic for the others. Now, these two in here are the ones that hold in the dispenser. So glide it in there and make sure you hold on to the dispenser inside while it's drawing it forward. We will reinstall the dispenser drawer. Start to put it in, press in on your button, push it the rest of the way, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.